Whoa! Today we're leaving Dieppe, and the goal for today is Le Havre. It's a special place to go, Le Havre, since I have family there. So it will be very nice to come and visit them, this time with Linnea. So that would be nice. Good morning.
Good morning. Short sink, root sink. We have 57 nautical miles today, and hopefully the wind will pick up in half an hour or so. But we have the current. Right now it's slack tide, so not much current at all. But we will have the current with us for the most part today. So yeah, we should have light winds and a really nice sail.
Now I have prepared our old code or downwind sail, since it was, the wind was quite light, it was light winds, so but now the wind has picked up, and of course I'm ready to hoist the sail, but I don't think we will hoist the sail since it's now blowing around 14 knots, so I don't think we will hoist it, but maybe the wind will light down later, so yeah, then it's ready. So we have our light wind sail up. We're not pointing our bow in the correct position, but we're getting much better speed now with the code 1, code 0, or so to speak. It's a very old sail. Before they called them code 0, Janaker, or code 1, so the sailmakers said that it was something between a code 0 and code 1 and a Janaker. So that's why I'm hopping between those words. So from now maybe we just call it light wind sail. But we're doing good speed now, and the flogging is much lesser, so that's nice.
This is my light wind sailing phase. Really don't like when a light wind sail like this is flogging. I don't like the noise. It makes me nervous. But it's always worse the first couple of minutes, and then it gets better. And since we're making much more speed, it's worth it, maybe.
Finally the wind has picked up, and we're doing much better speed, and flogging is much less. So it's a nice sail. It's a bit choppy waves, but it's a good sail.
sails are really testing our patience. I don't think I've ever sailed in an area where it's so constantly shifting all the time, with the waves and the wind force and yeah, the wind direction, like all over the place. And if you sail like this for a whole day, you will have it all. So yeah, we're trying to sail wing a wing. It's been good for about an hour, but now we're down to 8 knots of wind, and the waves like pushes the wind out of the sails, so it's a bit flunky again, but yeah, less than 10 miles to Le Havre.
So, we made it to Le Havre. Not by car, but we're on boat. Woohoo!
Thanks for following along on our sailing trip. If you'd like to help us keep developing these videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up. Until next time, fair winds everyone, and see you soon.